In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 75-minute chart in TradingView. If you're looking to enhance your charting capabilities with a unique and custom time frame, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together, ensuring you can seamlessly incorporate this interval into your trading strategy. To get started, open up any chart in TradingView. Now, take a look at the top of your chart. You should see a drop-down menu that displays various time intervals, such as 1D for 1 day or 60 minutes for 60 minutes. This menu allows you to switch between different standard intervals quickly. For our purpose today, we'll need to dive a little deeper. Once you've located the time interval drop-down, click on it. As you scroll down through the options, you'll see an option that says, Plus Add Custom Interval. This is your gateway to creating a custom interval that suits your unique trading needs. Go ahead and click on that option. You'll be prompted to enter specific details for your custom time frame. Here, you'll want to type in the number 75 as your desired interval. You'll also see a selection for the unit of time. Make sure to select minutes. This setting is crucial because it tells TradingView exactly how to format your custom interval. Once you've entered the correct details, click on the Add button. After adding your custom interval, you'll now find 75 minutes readily available on your list, just like any of the standard time frames. Click to select it, and voila! Your chart now reflects the new 75-minute interval, providing you with fresh insights and perspectives on market movements. Before you proceed, here's an important note to keep in mind. Custom time intervals, including the 75-minute chart, are only available on TradingView's paid plans. These include Pro, Pro Plus, or the Premium plans. If you're currently using the free version of TradingView, you'll be limited to standard time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and so on. Unlocking the custom intervals can be a game changer in your technical analysis toolkit, giving you access to specialized intervals like 75, 90, 120, and more. It's worth considering an upgrade if you find these customizations beneficial for your trading approach. That's it! You now know how to set up a 75-minute chart on TradingView. With this new skill in hand, you can tailor your charting experience even further to fit your specific strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and